Hello, this is Karen. I'm a BGY1 at the University of Toronto Division of Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. What we're going to do so far is take you through the Pediatric Hand Surgery Project Map. Let's get started. Let's pretend that you are the local surgeon. What if all you had to do was type out what your hospital needed and everyone could see it? What if all you had to do was ask for someone to analyze your data so you could share your results? What if you had a team of people worldwide working together to meet what you needed? Check this out. So let's get started. Here are 8 easy steps to understanding the Pediatric Hand Surgery Project Map. The first goal is to design and set up an interactive map of pediatric hand surgery in global health using research projects that were completed in a previous scoping review that has been accepted for publication. The goal is to filter based on common research themes and research gaps so that anyone, anywhere can access this map and understand what is happening. The second goal is to partner with the Touching Hands project and empower its partnering host institutions by providing them access to this interactive world map. Then we want to evaluate to see if it's successful. So first we want to create the project map. Again, we're using data from a previously accepted pediatric hand scoping review and global health publication. We're going to add languages using Google Translate. We're going to add an interactive component using the Google Forms as seen in the previous clip. We're going to add filters so that you can filter the research projects by common research themes and gaps, and embed it on our website so that the data table that summarizes all the data in a specific theme or gap is located below the map. We're going to provide separate web pages per project, as well allow users to click on the project and interact with the principal investigator. For example, if there's a need for finances, there can be a donate now button. You just click the need and donate. If there's a need for people, users can click the need for people and fill out a form with relevant contact information and CV to be sent off directly to the principal investigator. If there's a need for equipment, users can collaborate with other users to provide that equipment. People involved in this component of the project would be myself, Karen, Helen, Rob Stuff, she's our web developer, Emily, and Dr. Christopher Forrest. After the map is made, we want to see how effective it is by asking people involved in the project, including you, to make sure that everyone is on the same page. after we've worked out all the kinks, we want to take it and implement it with the people who hopefully are going to use it. So we're going to contact the members of, or the key representative for the Touching Hands project and the host institution, and provide them with a video demo of the map, very similar to what the clip that I showed you at the beginning of this presentation, and ask a quick question to see if they are interested. This is located in Appendix 1. Then we're going to distribute the link to members within each host institution and within the Touching Hands project for all those who are interested. And the link will click through the following steps. The first step will be a consent form. The second step will be a Google form in Appendix 2. When the link is sent off, it'll be using a software that SurveyMonkey uses, which can be used to track the opened rate. So any user that clicks on it will automatically be monitored. We will calculate the opened rate, which is the total number opened over the total number of invitations. We'll also be measuring the click-through rate, so the total number of those who clicked through to the end of the survey over the total number of invitations, and then we'll look at the clicked-through over opened rate, so the number of people who opened it and then went through the entire survey. And then we will be using Google Forms. So Google Forms is the software that I was using for the clip that was used in the beginning. The benefit of using Google Forms is that the data automatically can be entered into the CartoDB map. It can also be downloaded to an Excel file. It can also be stored offline and then uploaded when there's internet access, which is useful, I think, in low and middle income countries where internet access can be a little bit unreliable. And after we've collected data for about 6 months and 1 year, we will follow up with all the members who initiated projects with a short answer survey. This is located in Appendix 3. So a mixed method analysis will be used. We'll be doing a concomitant quantitative and qualitative analysis. And then we will write it up and ask for feedback to see which one or which pieces of data would be effective or and relevant to our target population. Ultimately, the goal is to share this map with host institutions and NGOs across the world, and if this is successful, the framework for this project can be adapted for other fields of pediatric plastic surgery. And that basically summarizes this presentation. Thank you so much for your kind attention.